Hi dear students, in the last lecture we start the point that is the chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Okay, in the last video we see that some important chemical properties, that is the reaction of aldehyde and ketone. Now today we see the next reaction, that is the chemical reaction of Grignard reagent with aldehyde and ketones. Okay, in the 10 number chapter, that is halogen derivative of alkanes and arenes, we see the preparation of Grignard reagent, and you know about that. Grignard reagent means what? That is, Grignard reagent is the organometallic compound in which divalent magnesium atom is attached to alkyl group and halide, that is halogen groups. So in the today's lecture, first we see the reaction, that is addition of Grignard reagent, that is R, Mg and X, addition of Grignard reagent in aldehyde and ketone. Now see here, firstly we see the statement, that is we know about that aldehyde and ketone is react with the Grignard reagent, that is alkyl magnesium halide, in presence of dry ether. Firstly it gives the addition compounds, and that addition compounds or the complex is further undergo acidic hydrolysis, it gives the alcohols. Okay, so this is the very important reaction, and that reaction is also seen in a 11 number chapter, that is alcohol and phenol and ether. Okay, so see here, today we see the first reaction, that is addition of Grignard reagent, in which we see the firstly the general reaction, that is in this reaction, that is a general reaction. Now see here, when aldehyde, now this is the carbonyl groups in which it may be aldehyde or ketone, it may be ketone. When it is react with the Grignard reagent, that is alkyl magnesium halide, okay, it is called as a Grignard reagent. It is called as a Grignard reagent. Now see here, in this Grignard reagent, that is this alkyl group, that is R group, is attack on the carbonyl carbon atom, and double bond is converted into the single bond, then oxygen make the bond with the magnesium metal in a first step in presence of dry ether. Firstly we got the addition compound, that is addition complex, like that. See, now see here the alkyl group is attached and single bond oxygen, magnesium and halogen. Now this is the intermediate, or this is the addition compounds or addition product. Firstly we form the addition product or complex. Okay, now see here, this addition product or complex then undergo acidic hydrolysis in presence of dilute HCl. We got the product of alcohol. Now see here, that is C R O Mg X. Okay, now it is undergo acidic hydrolysis, that is in presence of water, HOH, dilute HCl. Okay, we got the product. Now see here, reaction is take place in that manner, HOH, यहाँ से ब्रेकिंग होगी और आप लोगों को क्या मिलेगा बेटा, that is alcohol, RCROH प्लस साइड प्रोडक्ट मिलता है आपको MgX and OH. So this is the simple reaction, that is reaction or addition of Grignard reagent to aldehyde and ketone. Now the statement is like that, when aldehyde and ketone is react with Grignard reagent in presence of dry ether, firstly it gives the addition product or compound, and that addition product or compound is undergo acidic hydrolysis, it gives the product of alcohol. Okay, so this is a simple reaction. Now we know about that, that is when aldehyde and ketone is undergo reaction with Grignard reagent, it gives the alcohol. Now firstly we know about that there are three important compound, that is formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone. Now when formaldehyde is react with the Grignard reagent, firstly it give the addition compound, and that addition compound undergo acidic hydrolysis, it give the product of primary alcohol. Means formaldehyde when react with the Grignard reagent, it give the product of primary alcohol. When acetaldehyde is react with the Grignard reagent, it give the secondary alcohol, and when acetone is react with the Grignard reagent, it give the product of tertiary alcohol. So we see that all the reaction. Firstly we see the reaction of formaldehyde with the Grignard reagent. Now see here, when formaldehyde is react with Grignard reagent, it give the product of primary alcohol. When acetaldehyde is react with Grignard reagent, it give the product of secondary alcohol. यहाँ पे अपनों क्या मिलता है, secondary alcohol. And when acetone is react with Grignard reagent, it give the product of tertiary alcohol. So today we see that very important reaction. Now we see the actual chemical reaction with the formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone with Grignard reagent and their products. Okay. Now see here, in the first reaction, the structure of formaldehyde is like that: H, C double bond O, H. The structure of formaldehyde. When formaldehyde is react with methyl magnesium bromide, that is called as a Grignard reagent. Methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether. Firstly it give the product. अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा, that methyl group is attack on carbonyl carbon atom, double bond is converted into the single bond and it make the bond with the magnesium metal, and we got the addition compound like this, that is CH3 CH2 O Mg and this Br. Okay, यहाँ पे ये CH3 group attach हो रहा है, that CH2 and single bond O Mg Br, and this is called as a addition compounds or addition product or complex. Now see here, this addition product or complex undergo acidic hydrolysis, it gives the product of ethyl alcohol, that is primary alcohol. See here, CH3 CH O Mg Br. This is our addition compound is react with or undergo acidic hydrolysis. It give the product of, now see here what है यहाँ पे लिखा है, and we got the product of CH3 CH2 OH plus OH Mg Br. Okay, so this is the simple reaction when formaldehyde is react with methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether. In the it give the addition product in a first step, and in a second step, that is it undergo acidic hydrolysis, it give the product of ethyl alcohol, that is we called as a primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol, or it is also called as a ethanol. So this is the first reaction. Now today we see the next, that is reaction with acetaldehyde. Now see here, when acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH, when acetaldehyde is react with methyl magnesium chloride, that is Grignard reagent, in presence of dry ether, firstly it give addition compound. अब देखो यहाँ पे ये CH3 अटैक करेगा ऑन कार्बोनिल कार्बन एटम, double bond converted into the single bond, and this oxygen make the bond with the magnesium metals, and we got the addition compound CH3C CH3HO MgCl. Okay, so this is our addition compounds. Okay, now see here, this addition product undergo acidic hydrolysis, that is CH3C O MgCl. यहाँ पे आप CH3 लिखो and that H. ओके, थोड़ा सा अरेंज करके लिखा, कुछ नहीं. That is undergo acidic hydrolysis in presence of dilute HCl. That is, it undergo acidic hydrolysis. It gives the product of secondary alcohol, that is CH3OH plus side product is OH MgCl. So this is name is secondary propyl alcohol or propan-2-ol. Secondary propyl alcohol. Okay, name of this compound is secondary propyl alcohol or propan-2-ol. So when acetaldehyde is react with the Grignard reagent, it gives the product of secondary alcohol. Okay, so this is the second reaction. Now today we see the last reaction, that is reaction with acetone. Now see here, अपन यही अरेंज करके लिख लेंगे, उतना टाइम भी बचेगा. That is, instead of formaldehyde we see the structure of acetone. You know about that, the structure of acetone. This is the structure of acetone. When acetone is react with methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether. Now see here, we got the first, that is addition product. We got the first addition product like this, CH3C, CH3, CH3 and OMgBr. Okay, this is the addition product or addition complex. Okay, now this addition product is undergo acidic hydrolysis, CH3, CH3 OMgBr. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलेगा, that is tertiary butyl alcohol, CH3, CH3 OH plus OH MgBr. Okay, so this is our the last reaction, that is reaction with acetone. Now see here, in this reaction, when acetone is react with methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether, firstly it gives the addition product or addition complex. Now this addition complex undergo acidic hydrolysis. It gives the product of tertiary alcohol or tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. So this is the some important reaction, that is addition reaction of Grignard reagent with aldehyde and ketones. Okay, so in this reaction we see that is formaldehyde when undergo reaction with Grignard reagent, it gives primary alcohol. Acetaldehyde is react with the Grignard reagent, it gives the secondary alcohol, and acetone when undergo reaction with Grignard reagent, it gives the tertiary alcohol. Okay, see here. Now student, justly we completed the reaction, that is reaction of Grignard reagent with aldehyde and ketone. Now our next reaction, that is the nucleophilic addition and elimination of aldehyde and ketone with ammonia derivatives. Okay, now this is the one of the important reaction, that is the ammonia or its derivative when react with aldehyde and ketone, it gives its compound which consists of carbon and nitrogen double bond, that is it consists of imine bonds. Okay, so this is the important reaction in which we see that when aldehyde and ketones is react with, or when aldehyde and ketone undergo nucleophilic addition elimination reaction with ammonia derivative in presence of weakly acidic medium, it gives the product which consists of carbon nitrogen double bond. Okay, and this bond is called as a imine bonds. Okay, so and this is the reaction which is a reversible reaction, and in this reaction the side product which is formed is water. Okay, now see here in this reaction, that is we see the general reaction nucleophilic addition elimination of aldehyde and ketone with ammonia derivative. Now see here in this reaction, when aldehyde or ketone, it may be aldehyde or it may be ketone. When aldehyde or ketone is react with the ammonia derivative, okay, now NH2 bond Z. Here Z is the alkyl group, aryl group, OH group, whatever that can be seen in the later of the reaction. That is aldehyde and ketone is react with ammonia derivative in acidic medium, that is in weakly acidic medium, that is H plus ion. It give the first intermediate. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे आपको intermediate मिलेगा, that is C OH single bond N H and Z. Now see here, this is the intermediate which is formed. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, that is lone pair of electron of hydrogen is accepted by this oxygen atom and it makes the COH bond, and nitrogen is directly attached to that carbonyl carbon atoms. Okay, so we got the intermediate. Now in this reaction removal of water molecules take place. यहाँ पे ये डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा और OH यहाँ से बाहर जाएगा, and we got the product that is compound which consists of carbon nitrogen double bond, that is imine complex or imine compound. Okay, we got the imine compound with the side product is H2O. Okay, now this is the simple nucleophilic addition elimination reaction of aldehyde and ketone with ammonia derivative. Now see here, there is a number of derivative of ammonia which reacted with aldehyde and ketone, and that can be shown in the formulas like that. In this reaction, that is Z is equal to, it may be alkyl group, it may be aryl group, it may be NH2 group, it may be OH group. Okay, it may be OH group, it may be NHC6H5, it may be NHC double bond O NH2, it may be NHC3H6 C3 sorry C6H3 and NO2. Okay, now see here, this is the reaction that is in which we see that is when aldehyde and ketone is react with the derivative of ammonia at in presence of weakly acidic medium. Firstly it gives the intermediate, and this intermediate is converted into the compound which consists of carbon nitrogen double bond, that is imine compound. Here the Z may be alkyl group, aryl group, NH2 group, OH group, or NHC6H5 group, or it may be substituted urea group, that is NHC double bond or NH2 and NHC6H3 NO2 twice group. Okay, so we can see all the reaction of aldehyde and ketone with that substituted ammonia compounds. Okay, now see here, so in this point we see the first reaction, that is reaction with hydroxyl amine, that is reaction of aldehyde and ketone with hydroxyl amine, that is NH2OH. Now see here, both aldehyde and ketone show the reaction with hydroxylamine and it gives the its oxime compound. Now in this reaction, the side product is formed which is called as a water molecule. So firstly we see the reaction for aldehyde. For aldehyde. Reaction for aldehyde. Now see here, when acetaldehyde, that is CH3 C double bond OH. Now see here, when acetaldehyde is react with acetaldehyde is react with hydroxylamine in presence of weakly acidic medium. Firstly it gives the intermediate like this CH3 H OH, then C NH OH. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक हाइड्रोजन इस ऑक्सीजन से OH बॉन्ड बनाता है और ये डबल बॉन्ड कन्वर्टेड इनटू द सिंगल बॉन्ड, वो किससे बॉन्ड बनाता है, नाइट्रोजन से. नाउ हियर द रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स टेक प्लेस, H और OH यहाँ से बाहर जाएगा एंड वी गॉट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दैट इज CH3 CH double bond N and this OH. Okay, now this is called as a acid aldoxime. Okay, इसका नाम क्या था बेटा, acid aldoxime with the side product is water molecule that is H2O. Now similarly, that is the statement is that when acetaldehyde is react with or it undergo nucleophilic addition and elimination reaction with hydroxylamine in presence of weakly acidic medium, it gives the product of acid aldoxime with side product is water molecule. Similarly, this reaction for ketone, that is for acetone. Okay, now for ketone or for acetone, that is when acetone is react with hydroxylamine in presence of weakly acidic medium. Firstly it gives the intermediate compounds, that is CH3 OH NH and OH. Okay, NH2OH, that is hydroxylamine. Okay, by removing of water molecules we got the product of CH3 C CH3 double bond N OH. Now the name of this compound is acid oxime. Okay, plus water molecule H2O molecule. So this is the first reaction, that is reaction with hydroxylamine, that is NH2OH. Now our next reaction, that is reaction with hydrazine, that is reaction with hydrazine. Okay, so यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा करेक्शन कर लेंगे, that is reaction with hydrazine. Okay, now the structure of hydrazine is like that, NH2 single bond NH2. Okay, now see here, in this reaction it is all the reaction are similar in which water molecules are the side product and it gives the its corresponding compound which consists of C double bond N compounds, that is C double bond N. Okay, now see here we can write down is like that. Now see here, in this reaction when acetaldehyde is react with hydrazine, now NH2 bond NH2 is called as a hydrazine in presence of weakly acidic medium, it gives the intermediate. Okay, and by removing of water molecule we got the product, that is like this CH3 H यहाँ पे OH बाहर जा रहा है, डबल बॉन्ड N and NH2. Okay, now see here the name of this compound is that is hydrazone, that is acid aldehyde hydrazone. Okay, so इसका नाम क्या आएगा बेटा? That is acid aldehyde hydrazone. Okay, ज़ाइन का कन्वर्जन किस में होगा? हाइड्राजोन पे. ओके, सिमिलरली एसीटोन इज आल्सो रिएक्शन, शो द रिएक्शन विथ हाइड्राजाइन, दैट इज व्हेन NH2 bond NH2, that is hydrazine, is react with acetone in weakly acidic medium, it gives the first intermediate or complex which is unstable, and by removing of water molecule it got the product. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? NH2 CH3 C CH3 डबल बॉन्ड N NH2. इसका नाम क्या आता है बेटा? That is acetone hydrazone. Okay, acetone hydrazone. Okay, so this is the two important reaction, that is first reaction of aldehyde and ketone with hydroxylamine, and second reaction is reaction with hydrazine. Okay, now our third reaction, that is reaction of aldehyde and ketone with the phenylhydrazine. Okay, now the structure of phenylhydrazine is NH2 NH6H5, that is one hydrogen of NH2 is replaced with the phenyl group, so it is called as the phenylhydrazine. Now both aldehyde and ketone show the reaction with phenylhydrazine. Now firstly we see the reaction with acetaldehyde, that is C double bond O CH3 and H. Now when acetaldehyde is react with phenylhydrazine in presence of weakly acidic medium, this reaction is reversible, therefore arrow is reversible. We got the product. सबसे पहले आपको यहाँ पे इंटरमीडिएट मिलता है, that is C OH H CH3 then N H single bond NH C6H5. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको मिलता है एडिशन कंपाउंड, एंड बाय रिमूविंग ऑफ वाटर मोलिक्यूल, दैट इज वी गॉट आवर टारगेट कंपाउंड विच इज नेम इज acid aldehyde phenylhydrazone. NH6H5. Okay, that is the name of this compound is, that is acid aldehyde phenylhydrazone, that is hydrazine is converted into the hydrazone. The name of this compound is phenylhydrazine. Similarly the acetone is also show the reaction. अब यहाँ पे अपन क्या करेंगे, इसको एसीटोन बना देंगे CH3 C double bond O CH3. When acetone is react with phenylhydrazine in weakly acidic medium, firstly it give the addition compound. Okay, now by removing of water molecule we got the product of, that is acetone phenylhydrazone. So this is the our important reaction, that is third reaction. Now see here, today we see the next reaction with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Fourth reaction with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Now the structure of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine is like that, that is NH2 N, then benzene ring, and 1 2 position NO2 group and para position, that is NO2 group. Okay, and here H. Okay, that is one hydrogen atom is replaced with 2,4-dinitrophenyl groups. Okay, so this is the structure of 2, that is one position, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Okay, so we see that the reaction now for the aldehyde, when acetaldehyde is react with the compound, that is 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine, in presence of weakly acidic medium, firstly it gives the intermediate compound like this, that is CH3, then OH, NH, NH, NO2 and NO2. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आपको इस तरीके से कंपाउंड मिलेगा यहाँ पे. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ सी हियर, अब यहाँ से क्या होगा बेटा, दैट इज वाटर रिमूव होगा and we got our target compound like this, HCCH3 double bond N, NH, benzene ring, NO2 and NO2. So name of this compound is acetaldehyde 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone, that is acetaldehyde 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Okay, similarly this reaction is also shown by the acetone compound. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, सिर्फ आपको CH3 C double bond और CH3, that is acetone, when it is react with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine in presence of weakly acidic medium, we got the first intermediate, and by removing of water molecule we got the product, that is acetone 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Okay, so this is our fourth reaction. Next, that is very important reaction, that is reaction with semi-carbazide. Okay, so this is our last reaction, that is reaction of aldehyde and ketone with semi-carbazide. Now our last reaction, that is reaction of aldehyde and ketone with the ammonia derivative, that is reaction with semi-carbazide. Okay, both aldehyde and ketone show the reaction with semi-carbazide and it gives the its corresponding compound, that is semi-carbazone, whatever. Okay, now see here in this reaction we can see that next point, that is when aldehyde, that is we see the structure of acetaldehyde, when acetaldehyde is react with semi-carbazide and NHC double bond O NH2. Now this is the structure of semi-carbazide, undergo weakly acidic medium. Firstly it gives the intermediate like this, CH3H, OH, NH, NH, C double bond O NH2. Okay, now it undergo removing of water molecule, that is H2O, we got our target compound, that is acetaldehyde semi-carbazone, that is HCCH3 double bond N, NH, C double bond O NH2. So name of this compound is acetaldehyde semi-carbazone. Okay, so this is the reaction, that is the last reaction, reaction of aldehyde and ketone with the semi-carbazide, that is derivative of ammonia. Similarly, acetone is also show the reaction, that is when acetone is react with semi-carbazide in weakly acidic medium. it gives the first what, that is addition compound, in which removing of water molecule we got the product, that is acetone semicarbazide. Okay, semicarbazone. So this is the some important reaction. Now all the reaction also written in that manner. For example, this is the, it may be aldehyde or ketone when react with derivative, when react with the derivative of ammonia. You know what that Z means what? Okay, in presence of weakly acidic medium, it gives the our target compound which consists of carbon and nitrogen double bond. So यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं अपन, डायरेक्टली यहाँ से वाटर रिमूव करके बता सकते हैं, and we got the product of our target compound. So ये भी correct है and that also correct. Okay, so today we see that two important point. Now next points in the next lecture. Thank you.